You're gonna get cream. 33, 34, 35. Dude, this is I don't know if I was just extra tired yesterday, but I walked into the shop this morning and was like, dang, it looks good. I mean, look at it, dude.
It's pretty cool.
We are going to start this morning by assembling the rear axle. We still have brakes and throttle cables to take care of, but we're just going to do the axle so we can have like a pretty looking roller. So there are pretty much 4 ways to get more top speed out of your go-kart. You have your rear axle gear, your clutch gear, your tire size, and your engine RPM. We didn't think that this, I think it's a 38 tooth sprocket, would get us to 88 miles an hour with the small size of those rear tires. But after talking to Taylor from Go Power Sports, the parts he's sending us should get our engine into the 9,000 RPM range.
Or close to it.
Or
8 to 9,000.
Yeah, so we may be just fine.
I mean, 8 to 9,000 RPM depends on if the engine RPM or the engine horsepower can overcome the wind resistance.
Yeah. So we're gonna discover all kinds of fun things, I'm sure.
Okay.
Why are you being a pain?
Hammer? There we go, bud.
There we go. We got the 2 rear wheels installed. It pretty much looks like a go-kart ready to go, except for the engine. But we still have some things to do, like pedals, cables. Now we can put the engine on it. I ordered some like skateboard grip tape to put down on the floor so our feet don't dig in and rub through the paint. But for now, towel. How is it, dude?
Pretty good.
And I was thinking, you know how the DeLorean, it has DMC embroidered on the on like the headrests, I think, or at least the seat backs. We need to somehow get that embroidered or painted on. So this is our power plant. It is a Predator 212cc engine. We use these things all the time. They are probably by far the most popular go-kart and mini bike engine to date. And they're that way for a reason. They're $99 on sale at Harbor Freight. They're reliable and they're powerful. So let's unbox it. This one is different than our usual preferred Predator 212 because it is the non-Hemi head. So here we are. Y'all have seen it before. I'm sure you're gonna see it again. Yeah, this engine helped spark a go-kart revolution. I mean, 99 bucks. So this brake has 2 options for sensitivity. And you're going with the more sensitive one, right?
Yeah. Well, it also depends on where you put it at on the pedal, too.
True that.
Closer to the pivot point on the pedal, the more power brakes you're going to have, basically. Means that it'll take less effort to press on the pedal to make it stop. The higher up the cable is, closer to where your foot's going to hit, the harder it's going to be.
So we have this clutch here, also from GoPowerSports.com. You can get your kit to come with either a clutch or a torque converter, which is going to be a huge upgrade in the low-end torque department. But for now, since we want high-end speed, we're going to go with the clutch. So I put the chain on and I line the sprocket up with the engine. It'll be fine for now, I think. Let me make sure. I think it needs to go that way, actually. It's probably good enough. All right. And in the kit, you get these fancy locking collars, and they come apart in half, which is super nice, so you don't have to take your entire axle apart to add them. And I'm putting them on the sides of the sprocket because even though we tighten the sprocket down, it still likes to walk. There we go. Fuel. Helmet, go for a ride.
Sounds good.
So our go-kart is all bolted up and ready for a ride. I'd say it's definitely the cleanest go-kart we've ever put together. It's just simple and neat and clean, and it looks really good. That's our homemade floor mat right there to keep our feet from digging through the paint and onto the bare metal. We're going to put some Sunoco 95 octane Optima in it and hit the road.
You know what it's time for?
What? Rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Crap.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No. One pole, baby.
What? You want to guess?
24.
26.
Hey.
I'm gonna reach back and hit the governor.
Say more like 36.
41.6.
That's not bad. So if we're just bypassing the governor and getting more RPMs, we're getting that much more speed.
It's a little darty.
Could that be tow, or are we gonna have to do some chopping and reset caster?
I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about looking into a steering dampener
Okay.
to help.
Yeah.
I mean, because 41 and
We're double that, over double that.
and we're over double that. And
Yeah.
see what you think.
Okay. Oh, it is darty. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that. He's a little dirty.
Nice job keeping your feet off the paint.
So we found out that the American Express 2.0 has a top speed of 26 miles an hour. Now that was before we bypassed the governor or even twisted the throttle screw out on the engine. So it could have been more once we twisted that screw out, and it felt like more, honestly. It's probably more like 32 or something like that. And that's probably what this go-kart was designed to do, you know, 30, 35 miles an hour. That's not gonna do for us because we're trying to travel through time with it. Now, it's definitely still a lot more go-kart than it is DeLorean. In fact, the only thing that makes it DeLorean is the stainless steel construction, obviously.
Obviously.
But before we do all that, it is time for one lap of the Cars and Cameras Grand Prix to see how fast it is compared to some of our other projects. Now, the only other two projects we've raced around the Cars and Cameras Grand Prix have been two of our fastest racing go-karts. So I can pretty much guarantee that this one's gonna be a lot slower.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a couple of practice laps around the yard. May take me about 10 or 15 minutes. And then get ready for the final lap.
Yep, and then I'm gonna do the same, and we're gonna see whose is the fastest, and then put that time up on the board against the ones we already have up there. Sound good?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Set, go. 38.29.
I felt pretty good about that one.
Looks pretty clean.
Huh?
Looks pretty clean.
Yeah. I don't like the idle. Let me get it down a little bit.
Are you marked? Get set, go.
No, crap.
I messed that corner up real bad.
I heard it. 38, 32. What was mine? What was mine?
All right, I have to go again.
No,
I was 0.03 slower.
What?
You were 38.29.
Nice. That was the lap, bud. Here, Mark. Get set, go. Good line, John. Whoa. Let's look at this. Oh!
Slower, dude? Was it slower?
Oh.
There's no way it was slower. 36. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So wait, so you're telling me I'm only like 0.4 seconds behind on that one than my 5-speed 16 horsepower race cart. My 5-speed was also 36.
Wow!
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I mean, controllable power versus, or like controllable and slow versus like crazy powerful and fast.
Yeah.
Sometimes slow is fast.
Yeah.
So you trying to put down another lap and see if you can hit a 36?
Would it override?
Yeah, if you want it to.
Nope. I'm good.
Okay. All right, well, I can sleep knowing that I had a 36.
I'm sorry, bud. I'm taking that W.
Yeah, I'm taking that in my cold, dead hands.
Yeah. Well, leaderboard for the car, we just average out our 2.
Like, which two? That's a good idea.
Like us 2.
Okay.
Like whoever gets the fastest and the slowest,
Average
average it out.
That's a good idea. I think you're just a little mad because I was like a solid second and a half faster than you.
Get here.
He's mad. Alright, I'm gonna go pop some popcorn. I might be here a while. Now is not the time. Oh no. 33, 34, 35. Dude, this is
What was it?
3760. Ready, set, go. 36, 3743. 3743. 3743. There you go, buddy. So in this episode of our Back to the Future inspired American Express 2.0, we basically assembled the whole go-kart. It goes a lot faster when you have a kit to work with, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we rode it around the yard. We got a top speed of 41.2, was it? Something like that?
Bypassing the governor.
By bypassing the governor. And we took it for some laps around the Cars and Cameras Grand Prix, which it surprised both of us. It did pretty darn well.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you want to check out this kit, make sure to follow our links in the description. You can find them at gopowersports.com. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac. It'll be fine.
And subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and press the bell for notifications. Also, smash that thumbs up button for us, guys. It really helps our videos out, helps them get seen by more people. Support the channel by picking up some merchandise at Cars-Cameras.com. Thanks for watching, and let us know what you think. I need to order a flux capacitor.
Yep.
think I said that at the end of the last video, but it's getting time. I actually need to do it. Order a flux capacitor and
Ooh, we got some goodies coming from
Gigawatts.
Power Sports.
yeah, we're gonna get our 1.21 gigawatts out of that 212 from all those high performance parts. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, guys. See you next time.